Hey Dale, this is Ashley. I wanted to go over a couple of things here. I wanted to talk about some services that we offer and talk about what you could be looking for and so on. So to start, I went and Googled Plumbers Laramie, Wyoming, and this area here is what's called the Map Pack, and the top three here listed are the ones that should be receiving a lot of work because they're super easy to find and they're listed right away. And the way you can get yourself into these top three is by first having a Google business profile. The second is filling it out as much as possible with the name, the hours, the phone number, photos, just filling everything out. And the third is putting your business name, your address, and your phone number into as many online directories as possible. And directories are things like Yelp and Yellow Pages and Angie. And having your information in those online directories are really going to help power your profile. And the websites listed below here, these are what's called the organic search, okay? And the same things apply. You want to be on the front page and ideally within the top three so that people can find you. And it looks like you were in the organic search in the top three, which is great. We just wanted to, find out if we can get you up into the top three of the map pack would be ideal. So the main thing that you want to do with your site is you want to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page first and foremost. And this is for a few reasons. And the first reason being is that if your competitor has, say, about 1,000 words on their homepage, then you're going to want to have at least 1,500 words because you want to beat out how much content your competitor has. And the second reason is that Google has what we call crawlers. They go through and they read the content of the website and then they try and figure out what services your business offers, what areas you serve, and the more content that you have on the site, the more of an expert you're going to look like in Google's eyes. And within the content, we have to have keywords. And keywords are things that people are searching for. So for example, how I Googled Plumbers Laramie, Wyoming. If you have Plumbers Laramie, Wyoming all over your website, it's going to become really relevant for that search. And Google's going to be more willing to put your website higher to the top. So when you look at your website, it's really important to make sure you have enough content on there and the keywords throughout, and that's really going to help your website rank. And if we take a look at why, a couple of other websites are ranking, I have a paid program that I use, and I put them in there so we can see what you're up against, okay? Now, I actually found a company in Cheyenne, which is, I know, close to Laramie, so I pulled that up just to kind of give you an idea, okay? And one thing also that I wanted to go over was the UR and the DR ratings because they're super important where you fall within the Google search results. I did pull up the back end of your website just to show you what that looks like, okay? And a UR rating is essentially a trust rating with Google, and the DR rating is a power rating with Google. And these numbers are looking at the overall website, how powerful it is, how trustworthy it is, and the higher up that they are, the more powerful your site is, and the better you're going to rank in the search results. And one of the ways you can increase these numbers is through what's called a backlink. And all a backlink is just a shout out from another website that's endorsing you, and they're sending a link back to your site through a clickable text. And then we can go into the competitors' websites. We can take a look at what backlinks they have, go through those and get those for your website and then get additional ones as well. So lastly, and most importantly, I wanted to talk about the organic keywords within the content I was talking about earlier. So for example, I did pull up Walter's Plumbing and Heating just to give you an idea and to look within the keywords that they have, okay, just to give you a snapshot. And so first thing I see is Plumbers, Cheyenne, Wyoming. So there's 400 people a month looking for that, for that information. And so if you do service Cheyenne, that is a possibility also to put those keywords into your website because that's 400 people that are searching for that a month. All right. Wyoming plumbing, 300 people are looking for that a month. That type of thing is what we're talking about. Plumber in Cheyenne, Wyoming. Those types of things where these are the people that you want to get in front of. And it's really important to get in front of these people. And if you're able to get in front of more people that are searching for those terms, the more people are going to find you, and then the more people are going to call you, and in turn, more business you're going to land. So I hope that information was helpful, and I look forward to hearing from you and discussing any opportunities. So I hope you guys take care and have a great Monday.